Looking for an effective way to level up your real estate career? This is it. ProPath by the CE Shop is an exciting new professional development curriculum that's totally unique in the industry. Led by our team of real estate experts and educators, ProPath uses a unique 3-tiered lesson system. Each course starts with the basics and builds from there, using interactive questions to reinforce what you learned, and hands-on activities that demonstrate their practical applications. Our ever-growing library of lessons use audio, video, interactive questions, and form posts to test your knowledge and let you see how other students have answered. Courses are packaged together in programs that focus on specific business concepts and goals directly related to your career in real estate. Our lessons allow students to learn valuable real-world skills in a few hours, rather than learning these skills through weeks, months, or years of trial and error learning in the field. From aspiring agents to seasoned brokerages, professionals across the country have trusted the CE Shop with obtaining and maintaining their licensing. Now, we're helping agents build, advance, and thrive in their careers. ProPath by the CE Shop, your path to prosperity.